I've replaced the battery on my 2007 Honda Accord, and when you go to turn the radio on, you get the message that says code. Just like that, code. Now, if you're really lucky, the previous owner, or maybe you did this if you're the first owner of it, in the owner's manual, they will have either a sticker or the code written down somewhere. As you can see, I'm not that lucky. But the good news is there's a very easy way to retrieve the code that doesn't cost any money. When I went and started looking for videos on how to do this, there was a whole bunch of scams that wanted you to pay them and send in your information to get the code. This is not one of those videos. This is a nice, easy way to do it, and it's completely free. So the first thing you have to do is to get your ID off the radio. So you press the 1 and the 6 button, and then this is the little complicated part. Then you press the power, and it says U, and then 1224, and then L 9245. So the number of your radio will be 1224, which will be your specific thing, and then 9245. And then I'll go in and I'll show you how to retrieve this when I go inside in just a second. And like I said, it's nice, easy, free, and it's not too big a hassle. So here is the actual legitimate Honda site, not one of the scammer sites. This is what you're going to want to be at, and I'll include the link in the description below. And it's mygarage.honda.com. And then there's a little bit more that gets you exactly to the radio codes for it. And this also works for navigation codes as well. My car does not have navigation on it, but so I'm just doing the radio code. So as you can see, you put your VIN number in here, zip code, phone number, email address, and then the radio code serial number, which is those numbers that I showed you how to get earlier. The first part, which was the 1224 on mine, particular one, yours is going to be different. And then the second part, which is the 9245. So I'll go ahead and finish filling this out and doing the submit, and then we'll come back to it because I don't want to show my email and phone number and stuff. And so after hitting submit there, here's what comes up. It says my radio code is 64161, and it repeats back the serial number that I put in earlier. And it actually shows a little bit more details on my car, that it's a 2006 Honda Accord, and with leather, 5-speed, and shows even the paint code on it, which is Desert Mist Metallic. So I'll go back out to the car and we'll try putting this in, and I'll show you how it works. So we're back out at the car, put in the key, turn it to the on position, doesn't have to be running, and then you'll press the power button and it will say code here. It's already got a couple of them in there, so it'll be error number 2. But when it comes back up here, let's see, turn it off. Oh. Okay, 6. It's not gonna like it because I pressed the wrong button at the first one. So error number 3. And then let's try it again. 6, 4, 1, 6, 1. Now we have radio back. So here I'm going to turn this off, and I'll show you the most important part of this in just a second. Here's the most important part of this whole thing, is going to your owner's manual, writing radio code, and putting what your working code is so you don't have to go through this whole thing again. 6-1. Okay, thank you, and hope this helps. And if you like this video and you found it helpful, please subscribe, because that keeps me motivated to doing little time-saving and money-saving videos like this. Thanks.